So today we are just north of London and we are in this beautiful home and garden, and in this video I'm going to be talking you through this outdoor kitchen that we have just completed. So for this project, the customer got in touch because they wanted an outdoor kitchen in this space here. Now the house itself, the garden and everything has been going through complete renovations. So they've completely done all of the garden here. You can see it's absolutely immaculate. And then behind you there, you can see they've got this garden room done as well. I mean, I say it's a garden room, it's beautiful. They've used these really nice bricks and then these black Crittall style windows and bifolds to create this incredible space down here. And inside there, they've actually got an indoor kitchen and they've got an Alfa Moderno 2 pizza oven in there. They've also got a dining area there. They've got a TV in there. So it's a really cool space at the bottom of the garden to come and hang out. And the spec for the outdoor kitchen was to try and match the kitchen inside as well. So you can see that the kitchen inside has got these sort of olive green colored doors and then the black frames around. So we've done exactly the same here. We've used our Lexola range of outdoor kitchens and we've powder coated the frames black and we've used the Equitone doors to match the color of the kitchen inside. So let's talk about the kitchen itself. We went back and forth with a few different designs on this one. Originally it was going to be a bit smaller and then the customer decided that they want to have the extra prep space as well. It was going to be tight up against here, and it was going to have a sink as well, but they then decided they didn't want one. They've got a sink in there anyway, so they didn't need it. But this was the final design, and it was done, you know, we use SketchUp CAD systems, and we can run it through AI, so you get a really good idea of what it's going to look like before, you know, it's installed. So for this kitchen, like I said, we've got the powder coated frames, we've got the color match doors here. So on the end, you've got this 1200mm cupboard there, which is absolutely huge. You can keep so much stuff in there. Long things as well, like rotisseries, pizza peels, charcoal if you need it, and things like that. All of the doors are handleless, by the way, and they're push to open. So you push it and it pops open, and then you just push it closed like that. Coming along to here, you've got another huge 1200 unit, and this one has got a shelf in it as well. So again, tons and tons of storage underneath there. So this is the Napoleon BIG44, which is a ginormous grill. This is probably about 1300mm wide. It's absolutely huge. You can feed lots and lots of people, and it's part of the Napoleon 700 series barbecues, which are their built-in range. They come with all the side burners and things like that already. So this has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 main burners, and then it's got 2 infrared back burners at the back. So it comes with a rotisserie. So underneath here you can see you've got the drip tray there, and it's got space to keep the rotisserie, the spike in there. That spike will sit on, the motor sits on there, the spike goes through here. You take these shelves out and then you can use the infrared back burners for rotisserie cooking, which is really, really good. You can get baskets as well, so you can do vegetables in there, chicken wings, chips, anything really. It's a really, really good way of cooking. So plenty of space there, and you've got the warming drawer there, you've got the internal lights as well. Everything lights up at night as well, so that's a really, really good grill. So there we go, another kitchen completed, and it works really, really well in this space. You can see that they've got all these beautiful palm trees, the lawn is manicured, you've got this brand new porcelain paving that goes everywhere, lots of different zones. You've got the shaded seating area up there, sofas over there, palms behind you here. The fences are this sort of the hit and miss batten style. It's a really modern look and it works really, really well. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you give us a follow and subscribe to the channel. We also have Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all of the social platforms. So if you want to see more of what we're doing, head over there and give us a follow.